Good morning guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno 8T and let me show you how to activate developer options. At first open the settings, then find and select about device, and here click on version. Here you'll notice build number, so just tap on it 7 times. Then draw your unlock pattern if you have one. And that's it. As you can see, from now on you can use developer panel. Now you can find it under additional settings. Here it is. So smoothly click and you will be able to manage developer options. To switch them off, just unmark the stop switcher. And that's it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.